Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 5 of the mid-rise apartment building. Let's get started. So in our previous video, we were able to finish the second floor. And as you can see, we have the railings, we have the floor, and we have the windows and sliding doors. So here's the level 2. And then, as you remember, we haven't done the level 1. So here, in order for us to see what's going on above, we need to go to our properties and go to Underlay. And then now we could change this to level 2 and then click apply. And then now we're able to see the layout above, and then we're gonna copy that, and then of course it will be a lot smaller than the above layout. So let's click on walls, and then let's look for interior wall number 2, and then we're gonna copy this wall, make sure it's up to level 2, and then wall center line. So basically I'm just copying this, and then I'm gonna mirror this one to this, and then after that also on this side. Let's add in the door, the bifold door, go to architecture component, and let's add in the vanity, the toilet, and then the tub. So just like that. Don't forget about this side as well, and then the single flush door. We're also gonna add curtain walls here. I'm just double checking. So all of this will be one bedroom apartment. So go to wall, and then click the scroll bar, and then curtain wall, and then let's add in our curtain wall here and also here. Go to modify, and then cut geometry, click on the wall, and then the curtain wall. Go to 3D, and we're just gonna adjust the height, and then use align, AL for short, and we're going to align them together. To finish up, let's click on curtain grid. I'm just going to put it in the middle. And then go back to architecture and then click mullion. And we're going to use, so I'm just going to double check what we use here. 50 by 65 millimeters. So click on mullion, all grid, and then 50 by 65. So that's done. So this one, we can now select everything. Hold on Control button so that you can add on the selected objects. And then don't forget the curtain wall. And then once everything is selected, click on mirror and then mirror it from here. So that error, it's showing that we need to cut the geometry. So click the wall and then the curtain wall. Wall and curtain wall. So that's done for this side. Now we need to select everything so that we could copy it on this side. And then after that, we're going to copy everything, but we're going to use or mirror it for this side. So selecting. So I'm going to hold Shift to deselect some of the walls that I don't need to copy. We don't need to copy this. So now click mirror and mirror it from here. Same, go to modify cut geometry. Okay, now we need to select everything, but let's add in a detail line so that it will give us the midpoint. So now that we don't need the underlay, you could go to properties and go to underlay and click none and then apply. So we don't need that. And then now let's select. So hold on Shift So double check, and it looks good. Now click mirror. Go to modify again, cut geometry. So everything is good for all the bedroom. Now we could finish the main entrance. So click on wall and curtain wall, and let's add a window here. But before we add curtain wall, let's add in the sliding door here. I'm just gonna align this. And then add the curtain wall on this side. I'm just gonna flip this and then go to modify and then click cut geometry and go to 3D. Pull it down, and I want it to be all the way to the floor. And let's add in some curtain grid. I'm just gonna put some design here. So something like that. And then go back to architecture and then mullion, and then similar mullion, and then all grid. So it looks much better. So now let's double check level 1 and see that everything is good. We can now go and add in our stairs. So click on stairs, and then this one will be going from level 1 to level 2. So let's add in our stairs. So as you can see, it's showing you how many riser and how many are remaining. So I created 12 now. So there's 11 more or 12 more. I created 11 riser created and then 12 remaining. And then let's go back on the side. So you know what? Let's delete this and let's do it again. Okay. So I'm just editing it before I click finish. Okay. So now we can click finish. And then this stair, let's highlight. And then let's mirror this. So click mirror. And then click this one. This is interior wall number 1. Create similar. And then now we're gonna enclose this. And then let's add in the door. So now let's mirror this as well. We can now go to level 2. Mind you that level 1 to level 2 are 4,000 millimeters, and then the rest from second to third are 3 meters. So we need to create another stairs. So this stairs is showing because it goes above. So now let's click on the stairs. Click finish and let's move it. And then now let's use underlay again to show level 1. And we're just going to copy the location of the wall. So click the wall and then CS and then add in the wall and then add in the door. Remove the underlay and click mirror. So the only thing we need to do is we need to edit the floor for the level 2. We need to have an opening on this side. Edit boundary. And then now we need to move this AL, and then TR to trim it. And what we could do is we could just copy this and use mirror. And then remove this line. So click finish. And then let's look at it at 3D. So looking good. So we have our stairs, we have the level 1 finish, and then the main entrance. And then for now, we're gonna leave it like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.